Hello friends, welcome back on your favorite channel Neat Prep for Biology by AJ with a new video on biology MCQs. In this channel, if you are a new viewer, so I will tell you that what we do in this channel. इस चैनल पे हम बायोलॉजी के MCQs डिस्कस करते हैं जो कि नीट एग्जाम के लिए मच इम्पॉर्टेंट है. And without skipping the video, please watch the full video. And we aim 30 likes on this video, which is very easy for you all. So here we start our video with the first. Bt toxin is A. Intracellular crystalline protein, B. Extracellular crystalline protein, C. Intracellular monosaccharide, D. Extracellular polysaccharide. I repeat the question. Bt toxin is, and the correct answer is A, that is intracellular crystalline protein. Question second. Biotechnology mainly deals with A. Industrial scale production of biopharmaceutical, B. Biological use of genetically modified microbes, fungi, plant and animals, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. I repeat the question. Biotechnology mainly deals with, and the correct answer is C1, that is both A and B, that is A. Industrial scale production of biopharmaceuticals, and B. Biological use of genetically modified microbes, fungi, plant and animals. Question third. Hibernation is A. Winter sleep underground, B. Summer sleep underground, C. Spring sleep under the water, D. Winter sleep under the water. I repeat the question. Hibernation is, and the correct answer is A, that is winter sleep underground. Question 4. According to Allen's rules, the mammals from colder climate have A. Short ears and long limbs, B. Long ears and shorter limbs, C. Longer ears and longer limbs, D. Shorter ear and shorter limbs. I repeat the question. According to Allen's rules, the mammals from colder climate have, and the correct answer is D, that is short ears and shorter limbs. Question 5. Polymerase chain reaction PCR needs A. DNA template, B. Primers, C. Tag polymerase, D. All of these. I repeat the question. Polymerase chain reaction PCR needs, and the correct answer is D1, that is all of these. Question 6. The symbiotic association of fungi with the roots of higher plant is called A. Eubacteria, B. Acetinomycetes, C. Mycorrhiza, D. Lichen. I repeat the question. The symbiotic association of fungi with the roots of higher plant is called, and the correct answer is C1, that is mycorrhiza. Question 7. Hemozoin is A. Background product of hemoglobin, B. Toxin from Streptococcus, C. Toxin from Plasmodium species, D. Toxin from Haemophilus species. I repeat the question. Hemozoin is, and the correct answer is A, that is breakdown product of hemoglobin. Question 8. Peyer's patches are found in A. Liver, B. Small intestine, C. Large intestine, D. Spleen. I repeat the question. Peyer patches are found in, and the correct answer is B, that is small intestine. Question 9. Theory of natural selection was given by A. Lamarck, B. Darwin, C. Alfred Wallach, D. J.S.B. Haldane. Theory of natural selection was given by, and the correct answer is B, that is Darwin. Question 9. Virus did not find a place in classification since A. They are non-truly living, B. They are non-cellular, C. They are obligate parasite, D. All are pathogenic. I repeat the question. Viruses did not find a place in classification since, and the correct answer is A, that is they are not truly living. Question 11. Identify type of vascular bundle with respect to A, B and C figure. Identify the figure A, B and C, and the options here are A. Conjoint closed, B. Conjoint open, C. Radial. Option B. A. Radial, B. Conjoint open, C. Conjoint closed, C. A. Radial, B. Conjoint closed, C. Conjoint open, D. A. Conjoint open, B. Conjoint closed, C. Radial. And the correct answer for the 11th question is C1, that is A is radial, B is conjoint closed and C is conjoint open. Question 12. Tricarpillary Syncarpus gynoecium is found in flowers of A. Solanaceae, B. Fabaceae, C. Poaceae, D. Liliaceae. Tricarpillary Syncarpus gynoecium is found in flowers of, and the correct answer is D, that is Liliaceae. Question 13. Refer the given figure and select the correct statement regarding this. A. This type of root system developed from radicle of embryo. B. Lateral roots arising from the main root are exogenous in origin. C. Rootless are the ultimate root branches that bear root hairs for absorption. D. Secondary and tertiary root are born in acropetal succession. I repeat the question. Refer the given figure and select the incorrect statement regarding this. And the correct answer for the 13th question is B1. That is, lateral root origin from the main root are exogenous in origin. Question 14. Which of the following is true about phylum Platyhelminthes? A. They are mostly ectoparasite. B. They are mostly free living. C. They are mostly commensals. D. They are mostly endoparasites. I repeat the question. Which of the following is true about phylum Platyhelminthes? And the correct answer is D. That is, they are mostly endoparasites. Question 15. Which of the following plant group lack true root, stem and leaves? A. Angiosperm. B. Gymnosperm. C. Petridophytes. D. Bryophytes. I repeat the question. Which of the following plant group lack true root, stem and leaves? And the correct answer for the 15th question is D. That is Bryophytes. Question 16. Tobacco mosaic virus is A. Spherical. B. Rod shaped. C. Cuboidal. D. Oval. Tobacco mosaic virus is, and the correct answer is B. That is rod shaped. Question 17. Bacteria are grouped under 4 categories based on their shape. Refer the given figure. Identify A, B, and C and D. A is Vibrio. B. coli. C. bacilli. D. spirilla. B. Option A. coli. B. bacilli. C. spirilla. D. vibrio. C. Option A. bacilli. B. spirilla. C. vibrio. D. cocci. D. Option A. spirilla. B. vibrio. C. cocci. D. bacilli. Bacteria are grouped under 4 categories based on their shape. Refer the given figure. Identify A, B, C, and D. And the correct answer for the 17th question is B. That is, A is cocci, B is bacilli, C is spirilla, and D is vibrio. Question 18. The term systematic refers to A. Identification and study of organ system. B. Identification and preservation of plant and animals. C. Diversity of kind of organism and their relationship. D. Study of habitats of organism and their classification. I repeat the question. The term systematic refers to, and the correct answer is C1. That is diversity of kinds of organism and their relationship. Question 19. A taxon is a group of related species. B. Group of related families. C. Group type of living organism. D. Taxonomic group of any ranking. I repeat the question. A taxon is a, and the correct answer for the 19th question is D. That is taxonomic group of any ranking. Question 20. Gigantism and acromegaly are the states associated with A. Hypothyroidism. B. Hypopituitarism. C. Hyperpituitarism. D. Hyperthyroidism. Gigantism and acromegaly are the states associated with, and the correct answer for the 20th question is B. That is hypopituitarism. Thank you friends for watching NEET Prep for Biology by AJ. If you are a new viewer, so please to subscribe, share with your friends, and please to like this video. Thank you friends. Keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.